Did you know that contractors in Chicago found 30 human skeletons hidden inside the walls of just one house? What they discovered next will haunt you forever. It started with a terrible smell. Workers thought it was just old pipes or dead animals, but when they broke through the drywall, they found something much worse. Human bones. Lots of them. The house had been used as a secret burial ground for decades. Someone had been killing people and hiding their bodies right inside the walls. The victims were perfectly preserved in the cold, dark spaces between the wooden frames. Police found evidence of murders going back 20 years. Each victim had been carefully placed and sealed. Behind new drywall, the killer had been living normally while surrounded by their victims. This isn't the only case. Across America, families doing simple home repairs have found entire families entombed in their walls. Bodies of missing people who disappeared years ago. All hidden in plain sight. The next time you hear strange smells or sounds in your walls, you might want to think twice before investigating.